All right. Thank you, Joseph, for the introduction. And once again, welcome everyone to the session. Yeah. So I think, as Joseph said, just going straight into it. We are in the AI era, and of course, that's why we are trying to see what the best solutions we can have for businesses. In Kenya, Africa, all over the world. Um, and so, by doing so, of course, there are those, there are the standards of doing these things, especially when it comes to websites. Of course, it has to really communicate well, have clear call to actions. So that once a potential client, a potential customer discovers your business in the internet, I mean, where they learn to see mean, learn more about your business. And that's, the best way to do that is, of course, in a website. The website, of course, has to be very well curated with the correct wording, the correct call to action. Just to make that journey very easy for a potential customer, for a lead. So for those who have been with us, just doing a recap of what we've been doing. You've had a feel of our landing page, the agent, which gives you an instant landing page for your business. Of course, a landing page can still hold as a website. Yeah, but again, now if you want to really do more, a landing page will mostly be a good starting point if you just want to launch your business or to launching a product. But when you really now want to go all in terms of now giving out, because there are services or even businesses which have information they need to share on their website. So you might need more than just a single page for you to be able to communicate well to your potential customers out there. So that's where we launched our full website agent a few days ago. So we'll use that to create or rather build a website for our case study today. And see just how how fast you can really get a website rolling for your business, for your brand. Yeah, so I'll head over to Innovation.ai. Let me share my screen that we can go straight into it. So I believe my screen is visible. Yeah, I want to believe so. I can see it. So this is where you land. You have an account. Of course, you can you log in if you you have an account. You log in if you new, you don't have an account. It's the first time, you definitely create one. So for me, I'll log in. So I click on login and just to my account, and we'll explore the full website agent. So here we go. So once we're in this dashboard, what you just need to know, to do is chat with the agent, and it will do whatever you need from social media, post images, add images, captions, landing pages, which I just mentioned. We've been utilizing that recently. Of course, still very important, websites, which is what we'll be using today. Presentations, again, if you want to do a presentation, a pitch deck, report, and all that. Then, of course, social media videos. And again, coming very soon will be logo. So you can get in here, create a logo, use it in your social media image, in your ad image, in your landing page, in your website. So a lot of good stuff coming in, and also now another very important agent for blog articles. Yeah, for those who interested in blog, which is again very important when it comes to SEO, but I think that's a very different topic. So I'll pick the business details and chat our genius here. So I simply need to tell to create for me. So create for me website for business with that sales below. So I have the business details in my clipboard, so I'll paste. So the business name is Fresh Bite Catering. So let me just Fresh Catering. And location. Location can be their brand colors. Again, are here. Then the primary color, the fonts are there. And then business description. We just call it business description. It doesn't have to really say short. So yeah. So I think I think under that we can just enter and have chat create the website for us. So so we'll we'll be cooking everything behind the scenes as usual. Create the we have not really. You can definitely specify the names of the pages you want, the number of pages, add more for the first prompt. But at a go, of course, the agent will be able to give you a ready enough website for you to get started. So with, of course, the standard pages for any website. The homepage has to be there. Maybe some about us, services, pricing, so contacts, all that, things like packages, and all that. So we'll see that. And again, you can always follow up with updates, changes. Maybe if it's a service which is no longer being served by the business, you can always change just from the chat. And of course, now your site is live already.
Dan, you're breaking. Dan, you're breaking.
Once you make any change, it reflects on the live site instantly. Am I back?
Yeah, I think so.
Then I might have to restart. I think that disconnection that I had to start afresh. So sorry about that. So I think I should just so I'll start a fresh start because that one has been broken. I just so I hope I'm audible enough.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, we just start a fresh, no problem. So I'm not sharing my screen. Sorry. Let me share again. So just start again from the chat. I think we still have the internet issue, so just hope it goes through before we. Right. So let's copy this. So create for me, I said with the following details, refresh with picturing. So just hope this time the internet does not misbehave again. So just so we can be sipping a cup of warm shower coffee in less than 5 minutes will be done. And of course now because of the disconnection, cause the message dropped, but should be able to finalize this time around. So just hope the internet won't misbehave. So, but I think you from what I was saying in terms of now making sure that making it very easy for you to have a website and also manage it. You can push any updates from here. Make any changes you want to anything and have them published in the live site. So that's a good YouTube bit. It's all about just chatting. You want to add images, you add. You want to add make any change, contact information, you can do that. Another important thing, of course, is the CTS again. Primarily, of course, you really want people to be able to click on a button and reach out to you. Make an inquiry or place an order if that's how your business is built. So you can actually create a WhatsApp link for me. You just need to feed chat with give it your WhatsApp number. Create the link which lands users to your WhatsApp inbox. Can even make a call from the website and so on. So those are some of the amazing features. And how to easily just chat the website and chat the agent and have a working website. Yeah, previously these were projects which would take and again having been there for over 10 years, I think it's something which I would admit that some of these projects actually never saw a closure because of the back and forth. You have to get a designer to make a change for you. Or maybe there is a missing bit which you didn't maybe give them at the beginning, so you have to follow up with additional edits. And of course now that one means that there is a lot of back and forth. Maybe they are busy working on another project, and now this now with this agent, you are able to actually have a website on your own without involving any third party individual or a web designer. So it's a different world we are living in. So you're supposed to see that magic. I think we are in the 4th minute. We should be able to have the site ready. Of course now, because of for those who have been with us, of course, how long it took to do. A landing page is simply a very a very short page which covers few sections. But now we are really creating several pages. So just to take a few more moments. So but I think we are almost there. Internet won't misbehave. So just hold and we are almost there. So of course, in case of any questions as we go, of course the chat is there. You can drop in any comments, any question, and we'll be handling it towards the end. Of course, it's also your chance to sign up and have a feel of the website. Of the new agent. And finally, we're done. That was exactly 5 minutes from 8:19. So EAT. So I think quite spot on. So let me just publish this. Of course, you get a preview here. But let me just go through the whole process of publishing, and then we'll be able to actually see what chat has produced for us. So I'll publish so that we can have the link and also view the site on our browser. So I click on publish now. You can customize the temporary URL. And of course, again, you can add your custom domain. See that in the next step. So, but for now, we'll go with the temporary one. But you can actually connect your custom domain and have it branded under your custom domain, whichever abc.com or whatever. So we have this link. So I just go open view. Let me share this a new tab. I hope you can see it. If you can see the new tab. So this is what we've produced or rather built in less than 5 minutes, or 5 minutes to be precise. Yeah, and I think, quite some good job in terms of balancing everything, the colors, the call to actions, even the wording, fresh food delivered to. I think this is because of the fact that it's more of like corporate kind of setup. So that makes sense. Still, you can always edit this one. Yeah. So balancing of the colors, the CTS, the headings. You can really tell that this is any visitor coming across this, they'll be able to know what you do, and also really be able to actually see whatever you do. So that's the homepage. I think done very well. The CTS are very spot on, depending on the section. So about us page again, let's see. Again, very well done. You can see the text is done, born in Nairobi, but of course these ones you can always give the exact information, but at least you can see what it is able to render for you. Meet the team, again, you can always change this information. Tried very much to come up with some Kenyan names, Nairobi names. Yeah, so services, you can also see what's done for us. Every page you can see it has a very nice, catchy section. It is very good with CTS. So the services are here, as we told it, corporate. There is quite some good balancing of the text, and to meet this image, of course, you can always add talk to chat to add that image. How it works, again, very well done. The packages are here, depending on the industry. Again, very well done. The CTS, FAQs are also here about the services. See, being a tail, we can see we have we have a section for menus for the menu, and of course very well done. And plus, we call it classified, categorized. So yeah, I think it's quite some good job. You can definitely change these depending on the exact offerings, but I think done a very well for a start. Okay, so have some section here for gallery for different projects done. Looking pretty well. Just showcasing the products. Kind of social proof for previous works, and of course, we also have a dedicated contractors page. Which is again still okay if you want really people to choose how to contact you. But now from the normal, whatever the one with the CTS we have here. Yeah, so in the footer is also very well done. You can navigate from there. It's proper, complete. Yeah, so I'll share the link in the menu. In the chat. So you can have a feel of it in mobile, of course. If I try to switch to my mobile view, allow me to do that just before I share. You'll be able to see that it's properly optimized for mobile. I would say so. The menus are there, and I think I need to choose a different. But you'll have a feel. It's actually very well mobile ready. But just have a feel of it from the link I've shared and rate the site. And if you have any question, you can always ask. So there you have it. So we've actually, I would say we've launched the website in less than 10 minutes to be precise, and you can see the amazing results. So sign up or log in, check that out. I mean, check the agent out and see what can do for your business. So I think I'll pause at that and allow the next presenter to take over.
All right. So
Thank you so much.
Thank you for that. I think that's very well done. I know, and as he said, if you want to edit anything, change pictures, you just on the same chart you've produced, you just upload your pictures and tell it where you want it to place them, and it's gonna do that for you. So it's purely AI design, you know, everything. You give it the logo, it's gonna place where you want it. So put your contacts, everything. Duncan, also you can share the prompt. There's somebody who has chatted me. Some of the people in the webinar have their contacts. We have chatted before, so you can share the prompt also.
Okay.
On the chat. Tyson is saying screen not visible. What do you mean, Tyson? I think we can see the screen from our side. For me, I can see it. I don't know what's the problem. Can we be able to get codes at the front end? For us, what we are doing is we want to give you the final outcome on the hosted here. So you don't even need any other host. You just need to come with your domain. We don't really give you the code, but you can, because for us, we more of thinking we just need to give you the outcome rather than, again, most people are not technical, and it's more of last mile design now, giving these capabilities to the people who've not been able to access them. I don't think then you're giving that person code, because then you're just adding a lot of friction to them. But maybe we might consider that for also customers who might be tech savvy and want their code. We'll see. But for now, no. Some domain registrars, I think there are so many. Dan, you can recommend a few.
Oh yeah, sure. GoDaddy, Namecheap. Locally, we have web experts. I mean, let me just drop the names.
For Pinnacle, there are just so many.
Let me just drop the names in
there. There are just so many. Probably we might also start selling domains. That I think. So I think, yeah, 2 people have asked about custom domains. I think because Pinnacle, they normally have a lot of offers. You can just check. Maybe you can pick the link and share. The prompt is there. So I think I've answered any questions so far.